And here we meet once again, having completed our 15th book of the 52 weeks, 52 books challenge. And the book that I've read, completed and made notes of this week, just for you, is The 5 AM Club by Mr. Sharma. Now, as you're well aware that I've been traveling a lot and it is really very difficult to make a detailed video of all my learnings, but a commitment is a commitment and I've made sure to stick by it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly scan, make you run through all my notes so that you know for sure that our reading challenge is still on. Here we go. Now these are my notes. Let me tell you, there are many amazing, wonderful learnings in this book. लेकिन इनमें से कई सारी learnings को आपको ध्यानपूर्वक छांटना पड़ेगा because a lot of those powerful thoughts and statements might go unnoticed due to a lot of detailed and unnecessary context setting around them. So let me tell you that this book is basically written in the form of a story and you might have to reflect and contemplate to get the best out of it. Also, the language used by the author might get a bit difficult to understand at the first go, but you will eventually get the hang of it as you proceed through the book. But all in all, it's a very good book that will help you get hold over your life if you're able to implement the ideas and techniques that have been mentioned in this book. For example, the author has mentioned certain techniques like the 20-20-20 formula, which forms the crux, the core of this entire book. There are techniques like deconstruction, the 10 tactics of lifelong genius, the twin cycles of elite performance, and most importantly, the power of association. So just in case if you wish to buy this book, you can simply click on the link given in the description below and buy this book from Amazon. Nevertheless, please stay tuned because a detailed video of all the learnings will be out very soon.